Cats are known for their agility and grace, but sometimes even these elegant creatures have their moments of hilarious failure. Hello there, fellow cat lovers, and welcome back to Fanaticats. Here are a few classic cat fails that's sure to make you laugh. Number 1, the misjudged jump. Cats are famous for their jumping skills, but occasionally they miscalculate the distance or the height. Watching a cat jump and miss its target, landing with an indignant meow, is both funny and endearing. Number 2, the slippery surface. Cats love to explore every nook and cranny, but when they encounter a slippery surface like a tiled floor or a countertop, their legs can slide out from under them, leading to some comical spills. Number 3, the stuck situation. Whether it's a head stuck in a jar, a body wedged between furniture, or paws trapped in a paper bag, cats have a knack for getting themselves into tight spots. Their puzzled expressions while trying to free themselves are priceless. Number 4, the phantom hunt. Cats are natural hunters, but sometimes their prey is imaginary. Watching a cat stalk, pounce, and wrestle with an invisible foe is endlessly entertaining. Number 5, the sudden scare. Cats can be scared by the most unexpected things like cucumbers, a sneeze, or a sudden movement. Their exaggerated reactions, often involving a high jump and a fluffed up fur, are hilarious. Number 6, the overzealous play. During playtime, cats can get so excited that they overshoot their target or crash into things. Whether it's chasing a laser pointer or batting at a toy, their enthusiastic antics often lead to amusing mishaps. Number 7, the dramatic fall. Cats love high places, but sometimes their perch isn't as stable as they thought. Watching a cat lose its balance and tumble down, only to walk away as if nothing happened, it's always funny. These moments remind us that even the most graceful creatures can have their off days. Do you have any favorite cat fail stories or videos? Please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Fanaticats for more fun and informative content about our beloved feline companions. Until next time, keep loving those amazing feline friends in your life. Take care and see you soon. Bye!